Hello everyone, I am S. Vashwadhini. I am Assistant Professor in the Department of English in Ratnam Arts and Science College. Today I am going to take a topic by the writer named Jeev Patel, and he is a poet and as well as a playwright, and he is born in the year 1940 in the place called Mumbai. He is an Indian writer and he is still a living writer. He mainly focuses on the nature oriented writings, and he also participated in the green movement in his lifetime, and some of the biography of his work of his life is he is a practicing doctor in his early age, and he also had a collection of poetry such as one of the work is How Do You Withstand and Body, next Mirror Mirroring and etc. And he also wrote three famous plays. One is titled Princess, another one is Savaska, another one is Mr. Behram. Next, in this poem today I am going to take a poem. That poem name is On Killing a Tree. In this poem, the poetic devices used in the poem is an irony or a sarcasm. So, basic definition for an irony and sarcasm is placed here. So, what is the irony? That is a witty language which is used to convey the insults or ridicule or scorn, especially saying one thing but implying the opposite. You may also call it as a sarcasm or a satire. So, this is the definition for the irony or an sarcasm. There is also examples given in this next slide. So, in this poem we are going to see the on killing a tree. So, in this poem the poet is going to convey that we should not kill a tree, we should not cut a tree, which is very dangerous to the environment, but also to the human beings. That has been explained in this poem. So, here don't cut a tree is a social message is conveyed in this poem. Next slide. So, this is the poem lines, the starting of this poem. So, this poem starts is like this: it takes much time to kill a tree, not a simple jab of a knife will do it. So, here the first three lines of the poem is explained. So, killing a tree, it takes a much time, not a simple jab. Jab is small cut of a knife will not kill a tree. That has been explained here. Next, it has grown slowly, consuming the earth, rising out of it, feeding upon its crust, absorbing years of sunlight, air, water, and out of its leprous height, sprouting leaves. So, here in this lines, the poet is explaining that it takes many years to have a tree to be grown. So, it takes many things to be feeding, like it absorbs the sunlight, air, water, everything, and it has been grown. It takes many years. That has been explained in this lines. Next is, so next lines is, so hack and chop, but this alone won't do it, not so much pain will do it. So, if we cut a tree, it is like a how if we cut a human beings, how the human beings has a pain, same thing is explained. So, it is human beings is personification is made through the tree. So, same pain will have a tree if we killing a tree is being explained by the writer. Next is, the bleeding bark will heal, and from the close to the ground with rise curled green twigs, miniature boughs, which if unchecked with expand again to former size. So, bleeding bark is, so if we cut a tree, there will be a sap will be coming out. So, if a man is being cut, the blood will be coming out. So, same human being is personified as a tree. So, bleeding bark is also being personified here. Then now, the root is to be pulled out of the anchoring earth. It is to be robbed, tied and pulled out, snapped out or pulled out entirely out from the earth cave, and the strength of the tree exposed, the source white and wet, the most sensitive hidden from years for years inside the earth. So, here the tree cannot be cut with a simple cut, it should be pulled out from the root, then only it can be killed. So, it is being used the rope to pull out the tree entirely from the earth to be killed, and it will be grown out and which has been grown for years will be pulled out in a second with the help of the rope. Then the matter of scorching and chalking in an air and sand, browning, hardening, twisting, withering, and then it is done. So when it is the tree is being pulled out, so it will be withered with sunlight and it will turn its color and the tree will be killed. That has been explained in the end of the poem. Thank you.